there everybody, my name is Ken. I'm 9 years old and I'm going to show you my science video. And let's explore science with me. Today we're going to learning about the sky at night. The sky at night including the moon, and the stars. Today me and David going to have a star party. It's when we invited our friends to our house and got little snacks like star cookies and sleep under the stars. So, do you know that the most fun star party is when we have meteor shower? A meteor is the rock that from the space, and when it going to the Earth's atmosphere, it got hot, and it would make a beautiful sight. So you see it. This is the meteor, and when it and like I said, when it goes to the Earth's atmosphere, it makes the rock more hot and it catches on fire. And usually, when it burns, and it already burned and is destroyed. But sometimes you can find that rock, but then it's just the rock. But this rock is from the space. So if you pick up that rock, you will be rich because it's rare. So today we have some tools that help we good at the star party. And here we have the flashlight. Here is the small one is David's flashlight, and the big one is mine. So now we have this tool to make our flashlight. We have to get used to its light, or if we do it normal, if we don't get used to the flashlight, and it will be more light. So now we have this. This is our tool. It's good for the flashlight and this fit too. But my flashlight is more big, so we don't have any tools to help you. You can use the paper tissue and a rubber band. You put like this, and you got like David too. Now let's put it and test it. We will make it dark, and we will do it on this. It's the star wheel. And long ago, the Greeks like to do is they connect the star and it becomes shape. Like this knight going to use his sword and fight someone. And that's a picture. So let's test it. I have this flashlight and David's. So you see the red? It's our flashlight light. So if you do this, you will get used to the flashlight light. And here I have a moon and a remote. You see it? It means the three cycle of the moon. The first is this is the crescent moon. This is the crescent moon. So now the next one, it's a half full moon, the half moon. And here is the full moon. And when the moon is done its cycle, it will become dark, and we call that the new moon. So now you see it when it will be darker. Now let's see. I will turn up the light of the moon and you see a picture of it. Here it becomes darker and darker. Here and it's full dark, and we will have the picture of it. This is the new moon. And now I will ask David one question. David, what do you think why the moon is getting dark? You think it's shrinking? No. So because the moon, because the earth, when this the new moon, the earth has its shadow and complete the moon. So it gets dark. Here we have the picture. This is the full moon, and then it becomes dark. The new moon, and a dark a while, and then it's a full crescent moon, half full moon, and full moon. And here we're gonna look at it one more time. Here, and you have to remember this. The moon doesn't shine on its own. It shines because the sun. It's just like the mirror. And the second one, the moon doesn't flat like you thought. The moon is not flat, and the moon is round. It's not like the plate. It's just like a ball. And here is the full moon. So you need to remember that. So now we're gonna ask our adults help to see what the next meteor shower gonna be. We don't want to have a big star party if it's cloudy and if the moon is too shine and that the star part it's a meteor shower. We don't want to, because if the moon is too bright, it will hard to see the meteor, or even can't see the stars. And you need to remember, like I said, the moon doesn't shine on itself, and it shines because the sun, and the moon is not flat. So today we learn about the sky at night. First we learn about meteor. Meteor is the rock that coming from the space, and then we learning about the moon cycle and the stars. And we will make sure today is not a cloudy night, so we can have a big star party, and I will make lots of cookies. Goodbye.